Magkaka-game 7 kaya? Siguro, if TNT follows these tips. From averaging almost 27 points, Rondae Hollis Jefferson has only scored 16 points on 27% shooting, walang tres in the last 2 games. Not exactly pang best import. A bounce back is in order. TNT has to figure out how to unlock RHJ from the Ginebra defense. How? Share the scoring. TNT has scored 89 in the 2 games that they've won, and at least 4 people scored in double digits. In the 3 games that they've lost, the scoring is down to 71, with only at least 2 people scoring in double figures. That needs to change. Learn a little Cobra Kai. No mercy. Di ko sinasabing manakit. Just funnel Justin Brownlee to his left. Load up on his right. Force him to shoot jumpers which are affected by his injured thumb. Pressure defense and let the others beat you, lalo kung dikitan ulit sa dulo. Will that be enough to force Game 7? We never know. What we know, Tim Cone's teams go for the kill when they smell blood, and they will be preparing to finish off TNT. Magkaka-Game 7 nga ba? Tingin nyo.